Hey there, I'm Dr. Jeremiah Sample with Family First Chiropractic, and let me give you one question that I get often, all right? Can chiropractic help with a pinched nerve? Understand, folks, this is the basis of what we do, okay? If there's a misalignment in your vertebrae, i.e. a subluxation, what happens is that disc puts pressure on this nerve root, okay, where it exits. Now, over time, as that bulges more and more, eventually you're going to start to feel pain, because generally, only about 10% of these nerves even deal with pain. Right? So, by restoring the normal function and position of that vertebrae, we can take the pressure off that disc, allowing it to go back to its normal size, take pressure off that nerve, and not only get you back out of pain, but also back to normal health and function. All right? If you have questions about yourself with nerve pain or someone you know, please comment below and we'll reach out to you.